The following is a presentation of GGP.
Hi everybody, I'm Pat O'Brien and welcome to the Los Angeles Coliseum, a place which, by the way, hasn't seen professional football in more than 2 years, but today all of the great NFL rookies have gathered for the NFL Players Rookie Premiere, and these are the young men who will decide which two teams will end up in the ultimate game. That would be the Super Bowl. So coming up, we'll preview the NFL season and talk to some of the rookies right here.
This is the NFL Season Preview, featuring the NFL Players Rookie Premiere.
Joined now by two-time Pro Bowler, the great Willie Gault, who played for the Bears and the Raiders and has the one thing all these rookies would like to have.
That's right, an NFL Super Bowl ring.
That's what they're after, folks. And what do you think Mike Ditka would have thought if he saw you guys out playing volleyball right before the season?
Well, Mike Ditka would have been a little envious, and he wanted to join us, and he would have probably. I think I can speak for hundreds upon hundreds of NFL stars when I say that I wish we had had an opportunity to play in something like this, the NFL Players Rookie Premiere Weekend.
Yeah.
Willie Gault and I are watching earlier action here. Shawn Springs serving for the East and hanging out on the beach. There's a spike by Shawn Springs right to Jake Plummer. That made the score 4-0. Tie the score. Good time to meet the NFL rookie. Plummer with the spike. Get the West to lead. Will take to the clubs.
Hey, the Heisman. This guy holding pass.
And the players will have their first trading card photos taken, and we'll preview the season straight ahead. When we come back, we'll see if those rookies can play pool, and we'll preview the season when the NFL Players Rookie Premiere continues. Inspired by NFL Players Association founder and Hall of Famer John Mackey.
National Football League. You know what you are is a gift from God.
Riedel Anthony serving for SEC against Florida State, and Peter Boulware for the slam. Take a look at that again, reverse angle. And there's Missy Kurt for Riedel Anthony, and Peter Boulware couldn't get it done this time. Not on this court, but smiles all around as SEC wins it 16-14.
We'll find out if the Pack will be back next year when we come back. Talk about the West, where we're sitting right now. See you in a minute.
These are the NFL's hottest new stars, rookies with talent, absolutely electric.
Hi everybody, I'm Pat O'Brien. Join me and Willie Gault as we preview the forthcoming NFL season right here on the NFL Preseason Special.
We'll tell you who might be in the Super Bowl next January. Take a look at the new stars and feature the NFL Players Rookie Premiere. Right here. Glad you're with us for the NFL Players Rookie Premiere presented by VR Sports.
As a former player, I wish this opportunity had been along when I was playing.
The NFL Players Rookie Premiere.